So in today's video, I just want to talk about budget creep and technology and AI because I'm seeing a lot of businesses now, they're starting to go, we need to spend money on AI, not really sure how to do that. And one of the things is that when you're buying systems as a testing system, you can afford to spend a bit more because it's only being used by a few people. If you start scaling your testing system without re-engineering it, it's going to get very expensive very quickly. So if you give everybody in your organization a Copilot license and they don't use it, how is that benefiting the business? How are you measuring the productivity? How are you measuring whether the money you're spending is making the business more profitable? And some of these things aren't easy, by the way. But my point here is that if you're going to spend money on a system, what are the pragmatic things you can measure and what are the things that you don't know? So, for example, if you put in an ERP, what's the benefit to the business, the cost of doing it? Because a lot of these are quite intangible. Here's another example: security awareness training. What's the value to the business of doing security awareness training? Because it's just a cost. But actually, if you look at it overall, if you say, well, how much is it going to cost us if we have a cyber incident, etc., we can start to justify it more. But my point here is don't let the cost creep. Plan for it early on in the design of the implementation. So if you're going to roll something out to all the team, how is that going to be budgeted for and how is the benefit to the business going to be measured? That's it. Please let me know what you think in the comments. Have a great day.